Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy carrot cake recipe made without maida or refined sugar. Super healthy carrot cake, perfect to be enjoyed by the whole family. So let's get started with the recipe. To make carrot cake into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of jaggery powder. You can also use grated jaggery instead of jaggery powder. Other options are liquid jaggery, also known as khapli, coconut sugar or maple syrup. Into this I'm adding in 3 free range eggs. With a whisk I'm mixing the eggs and the jaggery. Once the jaggery and eggs are mixed, add in 3/4 cup wood pressed coconut oil. Wood pressed coconut oil has a very neutral flavor and taste, hence they are ideal to use in baking. However, if you don't have wood pressed coconut oil at hand, you can use grass-fed cow's melted butter instead. With the whisk, I'm again mixing this. As you mix, you can see the batter getting into a thick and creamy consistency. Add in half teaspoon vanilla extract and mix again. As you can see, it has become a thick and creamy batter. Add in 1 cup khapli wheat flour. Now instead of khapli wheat flour, you can use ordinary whole wheat flour. I prefer to use khapli wheat in my recipes because they are an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule. They are also rich in fiber. So into this I'm adding in 1 cup of khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat or samba wheat. 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon dry ginger powder, half teaspoon freshly ground nutmeg powder. I took about 1/3 portion of the nutmeg and ground it in the stone grinder. Half teaspoon freshly ground cinnamon powder. With a spatula, I am lightly mixing the dry ingredients. Once the dry ingredients are mixed, I am adding in 1 cup grated carrot, and with a spatula I am mixing all this into a thick batter consistency. This is the consistency of the batter we should be looking at: thick, creamy and of pourable consistency. To bake the cake, I am using a round glass cake pan. Into it I am adding in a splash of wood pressed coconut oil and I am greasing the pan with the wood pressed coconut oil. Make sure you grease the sides as well. Place a parchment paper in the center, and now my cake pan is perfectly lined and ready to bake. At this moment I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Pour the thick and creamy cake batter into the pan. Level the top with the spatula. Bake in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven, so please keep an eye on it after about 30 minutes. And once the cake has baked really well, I'm going to allow it to cool down in the pan slightly and then I'll transfer to a wire rack. So guys, do try this healthy carrot cake recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.